Back in 2022, OpenAI dropped ChatGPT. Fast forward to 2025 January, a Chinese company released a new AI. This AI blew everyone's mind because it took over ChatGPT's spot and the number one selling AI app on the app stores in less than a week. In today's video, I'm going to be testing ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI side by side with the same prompt. But I won't be doing it alone though. My friend Confidence Eburue. We are going to focus on five aspects to test the AIs. So for each test, there will be points awarded. At the end of the video, whoever gets the highest points out of the out of the five will be crowned the best AI out of ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI. So DeepSeek AI has this feature called deep reasoning where it does it reasons deeply. But I'm not going to talk about that right now. I'm going to talk about that later after the five tests in the video. I'm going to be testing their ability to hold conversation. I'm going to ask, who is Albert Einstein? I asked ChatGPT already, so it gave me a summary of who Mr. Einstein is and things he is known for. I continued by saying, wow, it understood my excitement and told me more about him. He gave me his favorite quotes. I asked ChatGPT to explain what his favorite quote meant in a way I would understand. He did in a very simple way. I followed by asking, how did Einstein grow up? I was given a response about his education, his parents, the age he started school, and the year he made the groundbreaking research. I added I want to be like him. It simply gave me a list of things I need to start doing to become like Einstein in pursuing my field in computer engineering. You notice I didn't if you notice I didn't say anything about computer engineering from the beginning. But instead ChatGPT added it to the conversation we are currently having. How and why? So ChatGPT has this new memory thing, so it's able to pick up conversations you've had before in like weeks or like months. So it has a memory, just like a human brain. Now it has a memory. It can remember what you guys have had, and now it can implement it into like your conversations. So I think it was able to add that to what the conversation that we are having right now. It realized I want to become a computer engineer, so it was able to give me tips things I need to focus on as I chase my career goal in computer engineering. It is actually interesting and actually kind of dope to see that an AI can remember what you guys had, the conversation you guys had in like a week or so. But the thing is, can DeepSeek do the same? I haven't used DeepSeek for about a week or like for long that I will try to test, but I think it should be able to. But that will be a conversation for another day. Now I asked DeepSeek to do the same thing that ChatGPT I asked ChatGPT to do. I'm going to start by asking the same first question. Who is Albert Einstein? So the first paragraph of what it gave me is kind of similar to what I got from ChatGPT. It gives more details on how he works on Brownian motion, and after that, basically that's the only difference. And after that, the rest are similar. Nothing special. I think. Well, you're using you're getting the same information from the internet, so basically, it's kind of similar to what I got. Now, the next question. I'm going to say, wow, the server is busy. Please try again later. Well, for starters, that is actually not something a person would love to experience when using an AI. and this is actually not good. And from the look of things, ChatGPT has to take this one. But let's try one more time. How did he grow up? The server is busy. Try again. So with this misbehavior from DeepSeek, I'm going to give ChatGPT a point for this section. So yeah, ChatGPT is going to take this section. Next time we're going to try DeepSeek again. Now we're going to focus on its closeness to what we asked. So based on the misbehavior of the past, I will actually have to give ChatGPT this one. But I think it's actually unfair to just rule it out. But at the same time, judging based on the response I got before, I think ChatGPT did better than um DeepSeek AI. He gave me everything that I needed, and yeah, he understood my conversations. And so ChatGPT is also going to take this one. Another point to ChatGPT. I saw some videos on the internet where people have used DeepSeek to develop um some things. One created an animated candle, yeah, with moving flames, and the other made this gravity ball in a hexagon thing. So I'm going to ask both AIs to create two things. That's a website and a simple Python game. So DeepSeek, yeah, it gave me a pretty simple and clean website. It doesn't have much much pages. It's just one page, and the buttons are not functioning because they are not linking to any page. It has a hover effect. It was created in the CSS file. So let's see how ChatGPT did. I'm going to use the same prompt that I used for the DeepSeek for ChatGPT. I had to do this multiple times. I was not satisfied with what I got for first try and second try. I had to try it again. I will give this one to to DeepSeek AI because he actually did better than ChatGPT. The code was a lot better than what I got from ChatGPT. For the second part, I'm going to tell both of them to create a simple Python snake game. DeepSeek builds a basic block game. The snake grows as it eats the red block and the score increases. Well, for ChatGPT, use the same Pygame module as that which DeepSeek did. I will tell it to make a random game, just a random game. So, ChatGPT created this random game called Lumina Light Seeker, where you find lights. So the little yellow things on the screen are lights, the lights you are supposed to find. When you're done, it will display a congratulations message that you are done, and that's all. So there's no start again button or rewind or try again or that you get what I mean. So you have to run the code again in order to start over, and that's not something anyone would like to do again. On the other hand, Gypsy created a game called Stellar Escape. I didn't get it at first, but I understand it now. So you have to dodge the red falling blocks from the sky as long as you can. If you get to 5,000 on the scoreboard, you will get a message, and you can actually still go further more than 5,000. But if you get to 5,000, there is a special message for you on the screen. I'm going to give DeepSeek this part. So DeepSeek takes this part. Well, I mentioned earlier that I'm not doing this video alone. My friend Eburue Confidence is going to take over from now until he's done to talk about DeepSeek and also the difference between DeepSeek and ChatGPT.
Hey, confidence here, and because we're talking about differences of DeepSeek and ChatGPT. So, one major difference is that DeepSeek is free to use; you don't need any subscription. Meanwhile, ChatGPT has all these different subscriptions. They have Pro and all stuff, and one thing that DeepSeek and ChatGPT, one major difference actually, is that DeepSeek doesn't have any image generation features. So there's none of these DALI kind of stuff. No, you basically can't create any images, can't edit any images using AI. None of these AI image editing features. You can just talk about text, or maybe I think, yeah, you can extract text from images. Yeah, so that's basically just doing basic text coding, all the stuff. That's what DeepSeek can really do. Okay, so the history of DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a Chinese startup founded in May 2023 by Liang Guangfeng, a big name in finance and artificial intelligence in China, obviously, and they didn't waste any time making an impact. The first product, DeepSeek Coder, launched just 6 months after they came online in November 2023. But things got even crazier in May 2024 when they dropped DeepSeek V2. This model wasn't just powerful, it was cheap. So cheap, in fact, that competitors had to scramble to lower their own prices. Talk about a market shakeup, you know. But here's what really makes DeepSeek special. Their AI models don't just process data like most others. They actually learn, kind of like humans do. Instead of just absorbing information and spitting it back out, they improve through trial and error, adjusting based on feedback. Just exactly the same way you and I process information. The unique approach that DeepSeek has actually used here has made them actually advance faster than most AI companies such as OpenAI, Meta, etc. Yeah, so right now, their top AI models, DeepSeek V3 and DeepSeek R1, have already broken the internet and are pushing the limits of what AI can really do. So the question is, do we see DeepSeek as the next AI giant? Well, only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, we have to watch this company. Also, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe and like this video. Stay cheesed up.
Thank you, Confidence, for that one. Well, let me introduce Confidence to you, or let me tell you more about Confidence. Confidence Eburue. The guy is a very smart guy. So he's an AI guy. We usually call him AI. We called him an AI in class back then when we were in secondary school. We called him AI because he was smart and he knew basically everything. So the guy is actually into AI. So in the future, if you hear the name Confidence Eburue, just know that this was the first place you heard his name. So, like, yes, the guy started his journey from 2020, I think 2023 or something. Well, the guy is a great guy. The guy is a smart guy, and don't be surprised when you hear a Ebureu Confidence is hosting the world's biggest AI stuff, or like only the world's biggest AI company. Just expect more from this guy. He's a smart guy, and he's actually a very good friend. Confidence. Thank you for spending time to actually do this. Thank you. So now we're going to talk about the user interface. Which user interface is better and which features is actually better? So the user interface for me, I'm going to give it to ChatGPT on this one. Why? Because ChatGPT kind of actually looks better than DeepSeek, and DeepSeek looks similar to ChatGPT. It looks like it was just the user interface, the website look was just copied, but then made some minor changes just to make it look different in some kind of way. But I'll give this one to ChatGPT. For the features, one of the features I enjoy more is this in ChatGPT is the voice feature. So you can clip, you can find a voice and you can change the voice. That is for it to read it out loud. To read out like the Siri voice or the Alexa voice. So you can change your the voice from an actual collection of voices, a long collection of voices. DeepSeek doesn't do that. So GPT takes this one head on. This is the final part. This talks about the accuracy and the speed of both ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI. The accuracy, both of them, based on what I got, both of them actually did good when it comes to being accurate about something. Because if you remember in first the first prompt, the first question I asked, they actually did good. The questions were similar. Although along the line, DeepSeek messed up big time. Messed up big time. But I think in terms of speed, ChatGPT was faster. But I won't blame DeepSeek. They had several issues. So ChatGPT actually has to take this one again because for the speed, ChatGPT was faster. For the accuracy, both of them had a tie, but the tiebreaker was is the speed. So the winner actually is ChatGPT. Of course, no one can actually beat ChatGPT. Oh no, actually, one day I feel someone is going, an AI is going to beat ChatGPT, and I don't know if it's going to be DeepSeek. Oh well, DeepSeek already beat ChatGPT in the race for best AI app in like a week, and that's actually great. So this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I just want to apologize for taking so long to actually post this video. I was supposed to do it in February, but I was busy. I had other commitment issues. I had some things to do, so I had to postpone everything to like March. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying to this point. And don't forget to subscribe. And also, once again, thank you, Confidence. Thank you so much for coming, for spending time with us. We hope to see you another day. Please like and subscribe if you would love to see, yeah, if you love to hear from Confidence once again. Thank you so much. Bye.